Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Quincy, and I am going to share with you three questions you should be asking yourself before posting any video on social media, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Stay tuned. Question number one, is it relatable? When someone is watching this content, is it something that they can relate to? Have they been there before? Have they experienced this before? Is it something they're currently going through, whether it's work, school, home life, relationships? Is it something that they can actually understand that makes them want to watch, rewatch, like, and or share, or even comment on the video? Can they relate to the video? Question number two, you must ask yourself, is this shareable? Will someone want to share this video to a friend, a colleague, anyone that they know after watching this video, after watching this content? Is it something that, oh man, so-and-so has to see this. Tim must see this. Tammy needs to see this. I got to share this. Someone else really needs to see this. Is it something that they're gonna wanna click share on, take the time and find someone in their contact list to have them watch it also? So that's something that you should be asking yourself. Am I putting too much time into this video? And if the time is necessary, will someone want to share this content? The third question you should be asking yourself before posting any video on social media is, does your content provide value? Is there something to learn from your video? Is it a situation that someone may have currently went through? Can a series be made from your content? And once again, guys, thank you for watching. I hope these are some helpful tips that can help you in creating videos for social media. This is something that will really help you in the long run. It is a must that you ask yourself these three questions before creating videos on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and it will definitely help you. It'll definitely help you out. All right, guys, hey, I'll see you soon.